What is up, YouTube? What is going on? You good? You good? You nice? You nice? Welcome back to another episode of Cars and Things. My name is Coco, at the coolest Coco on your socials. Follow me, follow me, follow me. You join me today, and today is such a blessed day. I am driving the Audi RS6 Avant Performance, one of my dream cars, and I'm taking you guys with me for the thrill. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be dope. Like always, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let us know what you think, and also make sure you do subscribe. It means so much to us. And right next to the subscribe button is the bell icon. Make sure you click that so you never ever miss a video. Now it's about time. Let us get into it. Cool. Now, you guys may remember I said that this RS6 Avant Performance is loaded with optional extras, and I want to start off with the first one. The first one is the carbon fiber styling pack. Now, if you look to my left and to your right, where the grills are at the bottom, where you see the vents on the side, those are real vents as well. Most cars don't really have real vents. It's just an aesthetic thing, but this one really does. And if you look to the left and the right, as well as the bottom, there is loads of carbon. Now, you guys know how much I absolutely love carbon. This car is decked out with carbon, and I'm going to show you all the carbon around the car. Next up, what you will see is the Audi Matrix LED lights. What's pretty cool about these is whenever you turn left and right, they move with you. Ever taken a corner late at night and you can't really see the direction you're going in? Well, these lights are super cool because they actually show you where you are going, which I think is incredibly amazing. So come check this out, guys. This one has got the upgraded brakes. You'll see them in red. You can also get carbon ceramics on this car as well. Now, I gotta tell you guys, you do need the stopping power because this car is an absolute beast. What you also get with it as well is the adjustable suspension, the quattro suspension, which is essential, the ride quality, and we'll get to ride this car and experience it a bit more, but it is absolutely incredible. I love it. I think it's great. I think it's amazing, but I want you guys to come with me on the journey just to get a bit of what it's got as well. You'll see again, loads of carbon on the car, carbon everywhere. I love carbon. And this one, as soon as we get inside, I'm going to talk more about what it has, but I love the fact that it's got a Bose or Bose sound system. It sounds crisp. It could be even better than a Harman Kardon system. I said it. All right, for you number phobes and you people that absolutely love numbers, behind me is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo. Huge engine, as you can see right over here. It is packing 412 kilowatts of power and 750 Newton meters of torque, which is absolutely insane. It is a beast. It is an absolute beast. And what's even better, it's got a tailgate feature. And what is even cooler, you can have this car with no kids. What this Audi RS6 has also got is it has a Bose, if you'd rather call it, sound system that comes with it that's absolutely banging. And if you look right ahead as well, it's an added extra where you have window shields over here. If you want to go incognito, you don't want to be seen, you want to feel presidential at the back, it does then protect you from sunlight and of course people seeing you in the car. What's also extra on this one here is the automatic panoramic sunroof. And it also has a shield as well, which is absolutely handy. You need one. And probably the best thing about this car, it's possibly my favorite, is the RS exhaust that comes with it. I don't know if you guys know this, but there are quad pipes within these oval pipes as well. So it is a 4-pipe. Something else that I love about this car is the carbon that it has. I love this rear diffuser. You don't need to do much to it. You guys know I love diffusers. I love exhaust systems. I love the back of a car. I wish I could spend a lot of time here, but you know what? That's for you guys because I'm gonna leave you behind. As soon as you get inside the cabin of the Audi RS6 Avant Performance, I cannot get used to saying that. I love saying it so much. As soon as you get into the cabin of the Audi RS6, as soon as you get into the cabin of the Audi RS6, as soon as you get into the cabin of the Audi RS6, you are then greeted by these RS seats with quilted leather. I believe it's Napa leather, which is amazing. It looks incredible. It is an optional extra that you do get on this car, and this car is kitted out with so many of these optional extras. What I also love about this Audi RS6 is the flat bottom steering wheel. Now, I enjoyed using this in my Golf R, but this car is nothing like that at all. But the steering feel and what you are capable of doing with the flat bottom steering is insane. I think BMW's got something to learn from these Audis. Now again, when you get into this Audi RS6, you will notice it has got loads of carbon on the inside as well. With a contrasted color, I've never actually seen this before. So outside the car, we have black carbon. And inside the car, we've got like a white carbon on the car, which is insane. I've never seen that carbon contrast ever before in a car. On the side of the car, on the door panels, we've got Alcantara. Look, is it suede? We're having an argument. Is it suede? Is it? I really don't know, but it's got Alcantara and it feels really good. I talk about this all the time. I wish I can keep my hand here and keep rubbing it while I drive, but it's weird. I don't want to do that and I might get into an accident. But we spoke about the ZF, the 8-speed ZF gearbox, and I love how Audis have the golf ball sort of gearbox. It gives you quite nice grip on the actual gear. But maybe we shouldn't just talk about it. Maybe it's time for us to drive. Are you guys ready to drive? Okay, let's drive. Now, the thing I've always admired about an Audi is the sufficient badging on the car. This car tells you it's an RS, and as soon as you get in it, you know what you're driving. But while I'm actually driving this car, I'm enjoying the seating so much. The RS seating is so cozy, so comfortable. It's just got me thinking, what car is more comfortable than a BMW? And the answer is, it's probably an Audi. Now, having driven this car for a while, I can tell you without a doubt that the torque in this car, oh my gosh, it literally sounds and feels much faster than you are actually going on the road. I think this car is one of the most underrated supercars of our time. I'll call it a supercar because I have reason to call this a supercar. I think this car was built for supercar owners who wanted to stay low key. I believe it. And of course it is standard that this car has navigation. And what's pretty cool is that you can not only see it on this big screen over here, but you could also see it on your dials as well. I think that's so cool of Audi. But what's pretty cool, again, is the fact that if you look just to the bottom, I've got a dial pad that is touch screen, and the numbers can then change, and the screen can change some of its functionality and what it looks like to mimic the action that I am doing. I'm impressed. I am so impressed, and I'm enjoying this car, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell. All right, everyone, so we've arrived at the basement parking of a particular mall, and what I want you guys to hear are the cracks and the pops of this car. It sounds like a beast. So I'm busy finding parking right now, and I'm assisted by a 360-degree camera, which is amazing because I can see everything around my car. To my left, there's a trolley, and I could just avoid it, which is really, really cool. But you guys want to hear the exhaust, right? That's what we've been waiting for. That is why we are here. Let's get into it. How sick! How sick! Well, those pops and bangs, those crackles coming from the exhaust. I so wish you guys were here to hear it for yourself, because it sounds so good. I don't think the camera audio or any recorders that we can get can capture that sound perfectly for you guys. This car sounds ridiculous, and that is why I call it a beast. And one of the many reasons why I call it a beast as well is because it is so good to drive. I'm enjoying being in the cabin of this car. I mean, you can even hear the exhaust on comfort mode. Literally, it's on comfort mode, guys, and I am cruising along the way. I am driving an absolute beast, and not only is this car very practical, you can have 4 or 5 mates in here easily. You can carry your luggage, your holiday stuff. If you've got kids, you could have kids as well, and it will do all of that. And at the switch of a button, this car turns into a marvelous beast, and I'm enjoying it. Right now, all I want to do is just drive. I want to stop talking, and I just want to drive this car because it is so fun to drive, so practical, so comfortable, and just all round perfect.
That was 140.
That's nice. Yo, what is going on, everyone? We have finally arrived at the 357. This is literally like my second home. I've got the RS6 behind me. I'm almost at the end of my time with it. Like, I feel a bit swag because I want to keep it. I want to own one. Like, I really do want to own one. I really do. We're gonna get it washed, we're gonna get it cleaned up, and we're about to check out some of the cars here at 357. There's some super cool cars that I want to show you guys. Some super cool cars, super cool cars, super cool cars. That's what we are about here at Cars and Things, that I want to show off to you guys. Actually, if you guys remember, I got my M4 tuned here. I might introduce you guys to my tuner. I don't know. We're at the 357. Anything can happen. It's gonna be a great time. Stay tuned. Check this out. Guys, here is the RS6 Avant Performance just in front of me here. I have had this car for about a week, and I'm so sad I'm gonna miss it because it is that incredible. Wow. Please cry with me wherever you are. It is getting a car wash, and I'm gonna give you guys some car wash shots over here. Porsche GT3. You guys may know the owner of this car. You may have seen it around. It is, in fact, a traction off car. Looks absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite cars. I will own this car one day. one day I will own this car. Looks incredibly mad. I mean, look at the rims around there. It's just a gorgeous looking car. It's insane. And of course, my dream is to own a Porsche GT3 RS one day. So I see these cars and I'm just like, wow, wow, wow. There's also another car right next to it. It is the BMW M3. You guys may have seen this M3. Shout out to the 357 as well as Kicks and Whips. Doing some really great things, man. Have a look. Oh, have a look at this rim right here. This is insane. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's a Forsen rim, if I'm not mistaken, on this M3, sitting absolutely perfectly on this car. It looks incredibly gorgeous. Guys, to tell you the honest truth, I wish I could show you guys all the cars that are here today. There are so many. There's still the back where there's like a car storage and probably cars waiting in queue. Literally, you hear exhaust noises everywhere you are here. This is like a car haven. I'd love to spend my life here. I think I'd be very happy. If I could make money while I do that, that would be fantastic. That would be amazing. But there are so many cool cars here at the 357. I just wish I could live here. They are insane. It's car heaven. If you are a petrol head, if you are a vlogger, if you like cars, come out, check the 357 out, spend some time here. You can have some lunch. There's a vape store. There's a lot of things to do here. There's even a barber. I need a haircut, that's why I'm wearing a beanie, in case you are wondering. But there are so many sick cars here that I wish I could drive. But not only drive, but I wish I can take home with me and keep forever. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys quickly. We've got an M3 over there. If you just look behind, we've got a 135 at the back there. You'll see it just in the middle there in blue. I used to have a huge crush on that car. I'll tell you guys that now. This is a 440 over here. Ooh, we've got a 6.3 liter. These sound incredible. I'm about to walk over here. I want to show you guys this M6 that is over here. Should I buy this? It needs some love. Oh my gosh. Maybe I can buy one of these cars. I'm actually going to speak to Uncle Sanj and actually talk to him about buying some of these cars over here. I think I could get a good deal. What do you guys think? There's more cars over here, more M cars than I have seen at some BMW dealerships. Crazy, literally. There's a 520D, there's a Subaru over here. Ooh, there's just so many. Oh, look at that M5 at the back there. Let me show you guys. Oh man, does it have an engine? Does it need some love? Well, maybe you can talk to the 357 and get some body parts if you own an M5. But there are so many cars over here. Some are covered. And I'm just making my way through the back. This is just some of the cars. I have been here and they've just been high-end sports cars everywhere. Like literally everywhere that you look. And I came on a random day during lockdown to come and shoot an Audi RS6 and saw all of these cars over here. And of course, I love the RS6, but this must be my favorite car right now. Someone just give me 2 million rand and let me buy this car. Please, please sponsor me an Audi R8. Let's walk. There's some more cars that I want to show you guys, and I'm making my way down at 357. Whoa, 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 guys, I have had a fantastic day. I've had such an awesome day to drive one of my dream cars, which I've been driving for a week, but I've been very scared to do anything with the car. I'm so cautious because I feel like it has so much power, and the growl and the torque that this car has, it literally feels like it is going much faster than you feel sitting in the car. The suspension is so good and so comfortable. I literally feel like I could sleep on a long trip, which is literally, it's crazy. It's dangerous, like, you know, but it is actually that good. And I am so impressed impressed. Woo! My English is even disappearing. I have been shooting for such a long time and I have enjoyed my week with this car. I so wish I could take you guys on a week review of this car, day 1 up till day 7. But I really can't. What I really wanted to do though was just to take the time to drive this car, to understand it, and to talk to you guys about something that I have experienced. That's the point of this channel, is to experience everything and bring it to you guys. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. I have enjoyed bringing it to you guys. If you like this episode, you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let us know what other cars we should review. I have been called a BMW fanboy for the very longest time in my comments with friends and so forth. And I'm experiencing a totally different world right now. And for me, that is amazing. That is amazing. I want to explore, I want to experience different things. So comment below, let me know what other car I should review, what car I should spend time in. Let me know. And also, most importantly, please make sure you do subscribe. It means so much to us and we are growing day in, day out, and it is great. Thank you so much for joining the Cars and Things fam. We really appreciate it. Next to the subscribe button is the bell icon. You gotta click that, guys. You gotta click that so you never ever miss a video. I am uploading videos a lot quicker than I normally do because it's lockdown, and I've pretty much got the freedom to just shoot much better than before, and the channel is growing. I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much for always watching, always commenting. Till next time, guys, we are